Welcome to installing cygwin on Windows. So first what you need to do is go to this homepage, cygwin.com. Uh, Click on this install cygwin, download this exe, setup x86 underscore 64.exe. I have it installed with me, so I'll just run that. Once it is downloaded, just hit run. Then hit next. Choose this default option, install from internet. All the files will be downloaded from internet. Keep the default folder C colon cygwin 64. I generally use install for all users. Local package directory where you want to save all the downloaded files. You can give a path. Next. Use system proxy settings. Um, in case you are using direct connection, use this option. In case you have a proxy host, use that. Click next. You can choose a mirror from where to download the packages. Any mirror is okay. Somewhere, something which is closer to you geographically will be faster, but anything is fine. I just choose this mirror, hit next. So it has started downloading the packages, as you can see. Okay, so you see the full list here, which packages it has to install. So I already have few packages which are already installed. So it won't install those, but you can as well choose typical GCC. This is for compiling C, C++ programs, make, CMake, or make. This is used for building your programs. I don't install Vim from Cygwin. I install it separately. Make sure bash is included. By default, bash will be included. That is the Cygwin terminal. You can always install other packages or other tools later. So continue. It will always check whether any new versions of packages are found. So it will list all of those, ask you to review, then confirm the changes. Hit next. They started installing the packages. Let's just wait for a moment. This is a slow process. Sometimes it takes a lot of time to install all of these packages. So while it is installing, I'll just give you a brief background of what cygwin is. It gives you a Linux a terminal kind of a feeling on Windows. You can run all your Linux commands. You can compile the code using GCC compiler. You can run it. So at the front end is like a Linux environment for you. So running Linux on Windows in a short, as a brief short introduction, this is what cygwin is. I generally use cygwin for all my development work. Uh, Linux has very good support for lot of utilities. So that is why I use this. And since I don't have a Linux terminal Linux machine with me, I use cygwin on Windows and get benefit of all the Linux packages that are available. Lot of open source programs like iPerf, they are built using cygwin. Okay, let's verify cygwin by opening the terminal. I have my cygwin terminal icon on my desktop and I double click it. So it opens a terminal here. So I can run my typical Linux commands like pwd, date, cal, more. such commands later. Let me just quickly show you how do I customize my prompt in the terminal. If you can go to this folder, C colon cygwin 64, etc bash.bash rc. So open this file. This file has the information of how your command should look. So there is a variable called ps1. You can define that variable to the way you want to look your command or your prompt. I have given user at host, and there are different colors here for different things. As you can see, the brackets are in yellow, first thing. Then the user at host is in green. Then the current folder name, that is in blue. If I change my folder, cd, okay, so the C column can be accessed using Sage Drive C. You can see the folder name appears here, and all the information is here, all the folders. You can get all your folders here, the files that you are looking at, everything is available here. So this is the terminal. This is how you set up your prompt. In the next video, I'll show you how to compile a C program using cygwin and how to run it. Okay. Let me know if you find this useful and if you would like to see more such tools that I use. Thank you. Next, whenever you have to add any new packages or add any new tool, you can just run the setup x86-64exe again. It will remember what all you have installed and give you an option to install any new packages or update any existing installed packages. You can rerun the same exe again. Okay, so it is giving me an error because I have my cygwin terminal open. Let me close it. Maybe that's why it is. Okay, I close the terminal and ask it to retry. So before installing the cygwin package, make sure you don't have any of the cygwin terminals or tools open. Just close them. This is really slow. Okay, so this is done now. In case you want to add a desktop icon, you can create one. Okay, hit finish. Now cygwin is installed. The first thing you can try is start the bash, cygwin bash. Uh, I have the cygwin terminal open